In this video, I'll show you how to enable a guest user account on your Mac. A guest user account allows someone to temporarily use your Mac without creating a permanent account or accessing your personal files. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Then select System Settings. Scroll down the left-hand menu and click Users and Groups. Next, find Guest User and click the information icon next to it. Turn on Allow Guests to log into this computer. You may be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to confirm the change. You can also choose whether guest users are allowed to connect to shared folders on your Mac. Once the option is enabled, close System Settings. To access the guest user account, log out of your current account by clicking the Apple logo and selecting Log Out. On the login screen, select Guest User. The guest can now use your Mac without entering a password. Files created by a guest are normally deleted when they log out, so they should save anything important to an external drive or another location before ending the session. To disable the guest user account later, return to System Settings, select Users and Groups, open the guest user settings, and turn off Allow Guests to log into this computer. And that's how you can enable a guest user account on your Mac. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.